Friends, today I would like to speak on the topic and try to understand. And I have discussed with many of my friends, my viewers, subscribers, about this big hype and confusion created about the National Security Act that has been published in various newspapers. आता वो नॅशनल सिक्युरिटी ॲक्ट धरपत इतला कित्याक हायप जाला हें खूब जाणांक कन्फ्युजन जालां आनी लिगल लुमिनरीज कायद्याचे तज्ञ लोक म्हणटात की दॅट दीस इज ए नॉर्मल प्रोसिजर. थोडे जाण एक म्हणटात, थोडे जाण दुसरे म्हणटात दॅट इट इज बींग एवरी टायम 3-3 म्हयने ते एक्सटेंड जाता. पूण देरापन हे फावटी इतलो कित्याक आवाज? आतां हे आवाज जावपाक एक कारण आसा. आयज आमी आख्खी हिंदेक पळयतात की अंडर टेररिस्ट ॲक्ट, अंडर ॲक्ट कोणाक कोणाक भितर उडयतात आनी अंडर दॅट ॲक्ट इन्क्लुडींग नॅशनल सिक्युरिटी ॲक्ट यू कॅनॉट गेट बेल. इवन फॉर 1 year they can keep you inside without even a charge sheet. आतां हालींच आमी पळयलां 3 स्टुडंट्स 12 म्हयन्यांनी बेल मेवली. तरी पुलीस शॉक लागले आनी डिले करूंक लागले तांकां रिलीज करपाक. आनी कारण कितें? आमकां तेंचे एड्रेस सारके व्हेरीफाय करूंक जाय. अरे 12 म्हयने तुमचे वांगडा आहात ते 12 म्हयने करताले कितें? पूण हें आतां दाखयता कितें की हो पॉलिटिकल मिसयूज ह्या ॲक्टाचो. हो ॲक्ट जे आसा द ॲक्ट हॅज गॉट इट्स गूड बट इट इज बींग मिसयूज्ड टू सप्रेस अँड पर्सिक्यूट आवर ओन लॉयल Indian citizens. And it has gone to an extent that even youth who have been raising their voices, trying to express their opinions, are being put behind the bars. Now, who will compensate for them for this after these 12 months? Where is the system in place to see that such things, if done, this would be the punishment? It is now the system is so bad that even having a good judiciary, the system doesn't allow you to get end results immediately. And therefore, this abuse is continuing. Another example is Father Stan, an 84-year Jesuit priest who was working for the tribals, the underprivileged, is suddenly picked up and arrested under this Anti-Terrorist Act. An 84-year-old man, even a sipper to drink, it took them 2 months to give it to him. Till today, he is not getting bail. So this is the system that is creating problems. Now, the court will pass order. The institutions like police and all of them are supposed to implement it. पुलिसांनी एक जाणा जावंक जाय की जेन्ना तेय जॉबार जाता वयतात तेन्ना ते एक शपथ घेतात की आमी घटनेक प्रामाणीक रावतले म्हणून. देअर कमिटमेंट शूड बी टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अँड नॉट टू द पॉलिटिकल मास्टर्स हू टेल यू टू बेंड अँड यू स्टार्ट क्रॉलिंग. आनी हेका लागून इनसंट लोक भितर पडटात. आतां गोंयचो नॅशनल सिक्युरिटी ॲक्ट हो ॲक्ट देरापन इतलो कित्याक आवाज? There are 2-3 sides to it. One is, हालींच आमी पळयलां आयज नाविली लोक एकठांय जाल्यात. एक नाविली भुरग्याक फाटल्या दिसांनी बश्टोच मार पडलो आनी बाबडो हॉस्पिटलांत हाडलो. Now, if the National Security Act for some reason has been projected to warn these so-called goons, and these goons are backed by politicians. There is no doubt about this. Without the backing of politicians, no goondagiri can survive. No goon can survive. No mafia can survive. So if this is done to put the so-called people who are nuisance and creating threats to the lives of people, then it would be good. But even then, I am sincerely of the opinion that whoever may be arrested, he should be given free, right? Basic evidence should be there. So why afraid and why keep him for 12 months? If there is basic evidence, it can be produced to the court and said, Papa, this fellow is required. And the court itself will examine it and say, yes, let us keep him under preventive detention. But here is such a, sometimes there are certain cases. The good people also are arrested. Those people who are activists, who are raising their voices against the policies of the government, who are raising their voices against the corruption of this government, are they also under threat of this NSA? Now, these type of acts have been misused by previous governments also. There was something known as, in the 80s, the Maintenance of Internal Security Act. Hundreds of people were put behind the bars. Some looked to be justified, some were absolutely innocent. ते आमचे भाशेन म्हणटात, ओल्या बारोर सुकें वयता भितर. असलो सुक्या बारोर ओलेंय वयता. So the question is, this was done during the MGP rule. Maintenance of Internal Security Act was used and misused by that government. Then you come to the Congress government. There was a Congress government also. That MGP government was then headed by the late Chief Minister Shashikala Tai. Then there was a Congress government who also utilized NSA, utilized it against, under Ravi Naik, against activists, but it was also used against history sheeters, gundas, who were creating a threat. I still remember people used to go on motorbikes with big loud sounds, creating, all was put to an end. Definitely, I must say that during that Ravi Naik's time, lot of peace and social security, security of the women and folk were all safe. But many also faced injustice. There was also and most of these people went out. The government has never failed to prove anything against them. This is another miserable part. Now you have the BJP government who brings in the NSA. Now my question to this government is, why and how will you use this NSA? Will you use this NSA against the activists who are opposing the double track? Will you use the NSA against the activists who are opposing the coal hub? Will you use the NSA to those who are going to now appear before the coastal zone management plan to place their opinions before it? Or are you going to use it against goons who have created a terror recently in Naveli and all, who are backed by? If it is for backing the gundas, even they should be given a fair trial before the judiciary, and that should be the High Court. Place before them that these are the things, this is the fear, this is what they can do, this is the threat to the state, law and order. Fair enough. But just keeping them, however you may feel that they are wrong, however everyone may feel he's a gunda, no, he has a right. Freedom. This judiciaries have said it should be bail and not jail. However, I believe that this government and the Chief Minister, who is the Home Minister, will be very cautious and will not adventure or misadventure and put innocent people under the NSA. I hope he is not out to dent his image.